Hey everybody, we're here today at Vendovi Island. This is a first for Mike and a first for me. It's not usual that one or the other of us hasn't been someplace, especially in Washington State. Mike's pretty much been everywhere. But this is a little marine refuge. Probably getting the exact terminology incorrect.
Wildlife refuge.
Wildlife refuge, there we go. It's only open during the day. Time hours just 4 days a week. I think it's Thursday to Monday. Is that 4? Yeah, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, that's 5 days a week. So 5 days a week. And already we've seen several bald eagles and a crane, and there's these little birds nesting that you can hear chirping. And it's lovely and calm and quiet. And we're going to go explore the island. Super excited. It's super cute. Hey Mike, what's our weather?
70 and balmy.
Yeah, it's a little humid today. It was supposed to be sunny and nice, and it's instead a little overcast, but it's warm, so all good. The Mike's stealing the camera from me. There's our boat at the dock. There's a cute little shoreline with lots of seaweed. And that gets shallow fast. This is not a very big bay. Madrona trees, this is the red barked ones. And off we go. All right, Mike is signing in. And what are the rules? Restroom facilities are closed. Well, those are COVID rules. Donations, so I might have to bring some money up.
The first one today.
Oh, I bet we are, because we got
1, 2, 3, 4 people yesterday, 4 groups.
Oh, because we only got here right as they opened today.
Oh, they just opened?
At 10, yeah. Alright, information about the birdies.
Oh, there's an envelope.
Alright, so we're signed in.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. This is cute. We could have some nice little parties here. Oh yeah, cute little place. The fire pit and everything. Oh, the 1930s. Father Divine opened leased land on the island to build a religious compound. And the compound was deserted sometime later and then privately owned in the mid-60s. And then in 2010, the San Juan Preservation Trust bought it. And by 2015, the bridge loan was repaid and they now own it in full. Oh, okay, so we're here. So there's a trail that goes to Jack's back over to the beach, or we can take up by the caretaker's house. We can go on this other loop.
The caretaker's house.
Oh no, there's no trail. It's kind of weird.
Just walk right by their living room.
I guess you just walk by their living room. I don't know.
Go try out
do you want to do this?
Beach.
Oh, we'll go to Sunset Beach?
Do that. Do you want to walk to Jack's back overlook?
I don't know. Well, let's walk to Sunset Beach and then see how motivated we are.
Oh, I think it's this way, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, it looks like you're right. We gotta go past the caretaker. There's a shop there.
Did you just say I was right?
There's a shop over here. Get the boat. That's a nice picture of the boat there.
It is a nice view of the boat.
All by itself.
It is. Looking very snazzy right there. Ooh, I'll get a strong arm if I carry this camera around all the time. My GoPro, I don't even notice I'm carrying it.
Are you here through the winter?
I am.
Man, that's gotta get
Beautiful, amazing, peaceful. We get the island isn't open during the winter too, so it just gives us a chance to just explore possibilities.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Well, great. If you like all the solitude, yeah.
Yeah, it ain't for everybody. But it is.
Start talking to yourself. And,
well, my wife's here, so.
That's good.
She's there too, okay. Not like alone or anything.
No.
I'm missing my family. I've been here for 5 days.
Yeah, I can see that. Everybody keeps telling me I should watch The Shining.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it.
All right. Well, y'all
all right.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, see, we could do that. Retire and
take care of it
on the island.
Yeah, we could.
Get your tractor and stuff. Go around and
do projects all
The
day?
trails are open.
Oh, this is Jack's Black, and then Jack's back. I mean, not Jack Black. And then this is the beach.
You wanted to go this way to that.
Oh, I thought we were going to the beach first.
You told me you wanted to go this way. It's 4/10 of a mile.
I told you we could go to the beach first and then see how motivated we were.
Oh, I'd probably go this way because you know once you're at the beach, probably won't be motivated this way.
Okay, then let's go this way.
Well, this is very, very limited access.
Yeah,
You're only going to see like 3 groups, 4 groups of people at a time.
I think we...
What's going on here? Oh, restrooms. Yeah.
Sunset Beach, Jack's back. We have this island to ourselves.
Yeah.
This is our private island now.
Borrow that quad.
Yeah.
You run around it.
You'd zip over there in no time.
Yeah.
Look at all the holes in that tree.
Yeah.
Like from woodpeckers, I'm
A
guessing?
lot of woodpecker holes.
Yeah, no kidding. That's crazy.
A dead tree, that's why. So I get all the bugs in it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see boats. Oh, we are at the end of the line, it appears. The bench.
Please stay on trail to protect fragile meadow.
Yeah. Oh, this is pretty. Very lovely. Oh, my arm hurts.
Let's sit on bench because it is here.
Okay. Where are the whales? That's what I want to know.
Oh, yeah.
This feels like a tropical jungle in here.
Right away down in the water. How did we get up so high?
I don't know. Don't even feel like we came up at all. But now it's downhill. Oh, there's like spider webs everywhere. I'm breaking trail here.
Yeah. You know, it's been down here today.
I guess that's the price you pay when you have the island to yourself. To walk through all the spider webs. Pretty rare to have a beach to yourselves. Oh my gosh, honey, look. Michael, it's a bald eagle right there. It's a juvenile. Well, that eagle was really close. There could have been a lot of other stuff right around there too. That's kind of crazy. I don't know if my video is very good. I'm not used to using this camera.
Ow. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ow.
We really enjoyed our time at Vendovi Island and highly recommend going to visit. So next we were off to Cypress, where we pretty much just played with the drone. So enjoy.